Hello. I will try to explain a tool in Excel to help us better organize and analyze our wire chart data for obtain unique cable terminal combination used for crimp test and USCAR 21 standard or for other purpose. This is a simple wire chart. You have the circuit name, color, wire size, material, terminal from the company, from the supply, and in the other end we have terminal number 2, and for the supply the same case with the material. So what is a unique cable terminal combination? For example, this is only 6 circuits, right? A unique combination is created by these elements: wire size, material, and terminal. In this case, let me write this here. So this is a unique combination for the circuit P863 in the N1 and in the N8. This is N8, and for the NB we have the same circuits, but different terminal, like is in this case. Now we have two different combinations for this wire chart. In some cases we have a wire chart with 100 of circuits, maybe 100 or 200 circuits, depends of the size of the harness. So this task could be difficult if we do it manually. So for do this more quickly, this macro will do the job for you. Let me explain a little bit about the structure of this macro. Reads our wire data. It goes through our main wire chart data, for example, in your file, you need to have all this data in this order. Actually, you can modify the macro to your wire chart. Maybe your wire chart don't have the same names in the columns. Okay, but you can change according to your necessity. Identify terminal configuration. For each line or for each circuit, there is a unique combination. Like I mentioned before, this combination is formed using the data of the column C, column D, I, J, Q, and R. Okay. And only create a configuration only it has some value on the cell in Excel. Why this is useful? Why this macro is useful? Because eliminate duplicates. We get a clean list of every distinct wire terminal configuration we have without any repeats. Clear analysis. This organized output make is much easier to see all the different types of terminal we are working with, which can be valuable for USCAR 21 validation, inventory, design review, or procurement purpose. Automation. It performs this complex data extraction and duplication instantly, saving significant manual effort and reducing errors. And let me show you how to work this macro. Let me close this. We go to the developer uh, tab and go to macros sections, view macros. And this is the name, generate unique terminal combination, and just click run. Unique terminal combination generate. Okay. And this is the combination we have for example for this terminal 645494. This is the supply terminal and this is the material. We don't have seals in this case. For this terminal, 0.35 millimeter size, 1798-35, we have this supplies terminal with the seal too and with the material. So suppose you have a wire chart with 100 circuit. This macro will simplify all your tasks for obtain this unique combination. Well, I hope this tool could be useful for you. Thank you.